Hey guys, this is Yard again from VGDT, and we were doing another Rocket League with Not a Lot Ocelot and Finley.
Woo!
Yay.
Yeah.
Christian here.
And we have our controllers now, so we're actually good. Fairly good.
Fine. Same thing for Yardigan. I'm now M. Grenier, and now the other one that nobody can name. You know exactly what it is.
The letters and numbers.
Letters and numbers that make the here. Okay, so we joining in?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I mean, if this thing will load, like...
I'm already in.
Me too.
I'm still trying to get this thing...
Oh, it's starting.
You know what? I can't use my controller. Well then, I'm done.
Lol.
Oh, never mind. I can use the controller. Yay.
Alright, so join. Oh, hello. And he scored.
Well then, that was a good start.
Lol. Technical difficulties as usual on this channel.
Go, 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 go.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Yay!
No. No.
Okay, we're tied.
But I did good. I did better than expected. So, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I wasn't expecting to score a point till 30 seconds left in the game.
Yeah.
Or not score at all. And he's going to score again.
Yay.
That's a boost on me. Otherwise, I would have stopped that.
See, it's my thermal purple. It's
your thermal purple.
it's my it's
Why
a
you
good
gotta-
luck.
Oh. Would you just go and go? That makes sense. Get it, Yardigan? No, he's going to score again.
No, he's not. Not on my watch.
What the heck? Who just rammed me? Which one of you?
Come on, go, 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 go,
No.
go, 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 go. Whee!
I think this is gonna be a good game.
Yes, it will. You just flip off.
If only I hit that.
Next, I am a taxi. Well then, that was a good start.
Oh my goodness.
Get rammed on.
Don't! What the heck?
Here, I'll be on ramming duty. You be on scoring
No,
duty.
no ramming. That is unfair.
Not for me.
David!
Finley, did you even score? No.
Finally.
I think Finley's dead.
I think he is.
Rip Finley.
Finley, say something in chat if you're dead.
If you're dead, just send us a
Or the
sign.
opposite.
Yep, he's dead. Well then, just you and me now. Finley!
Just ram the AFK person.
Go. Yes.
Almost blocked it.
We should do a one-on-one sometime.
Yeah.
We technically are doing it now.
Yeah.
The real game begins now. Finley was just a pawn.
Dun dun dun. Oh my goodness, if that goes in. Okay, good. It didn't go in. What the heck? No ram. It's 1v1.
1v1s are fun. V1s. 1v1s are fun V1s. Oh wait, he's back. I don't think I think Skype crashed or something.
Yeah.
Yay.
No, about my goal. Not about Skype crashing. Whoa. I just flung across the whole map.
Oh. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, Maji. Oh, Maji. Ow.
Where's the ball?
It's right there.
I know.
Mm.
I'm bad with that.
Go, 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 go. Let's do things that are good. Things that are good.
No, you have to be kidding me.
No, no.
No, you're not. Okay.
Right, I'm back.
No.
Finley's alive.
I have no idea what that was. Sorry, I had technical difficulties with my Kindle.
Oh. Could you hear us?
No, I couldn't.
Good.
Like, it completely shut off, and it's on 98%, so it wasn't battery.
Wow.
It
Good
just
thing you
kinda
couldn't hear
stopped.
us. We
Oh
were...
my gosh. You guys are like playing so dirty and just ramming me.
Ow! Finley's ramming me.
I just rammed my own teammate. I don't know why.
No.
Hey, not a lot. Hey, not
What?
a lot.
Hey, what?
Hi.
Explosion.
No explosions.
Explosion!
Explode.
Explosion fun time! Hola! Soy Dora!
What?
I have no idea.
Lol.
Did you? You
Yeah,
didn't.
maybe. Watch this.
You didn't drive it into your... Wow, that wasn't even on accident.
No, it wasn't on accident. I mean, it was on accident.
Really?
Yeah.
Likely story.
Well, your speech says against you.
Your speech and your actions say against you, and now that's you. And you are a dirty traitor. I will murder you.
Oh. Don't do that, please. We.
I just blocked my own shot again.
Hey, no.
Hey, what?
Are you ready
Do you like
What?
death?
to pop
Pop what?
Popsicle?
No.
Yes.
Did someone say hot dog?
Yeah.
No.
Me.
No one said hot dog.
I crave hot dogs. I crave hot doges.
Hot doges, you don't eat those.
I eat those if I feel like it, okay?
You praise them.
I eat the doggy if I feel like it.
No, don't go in.
Come on. Yeah! What?
Did you see that?
Come on. Look at it's glitching out.
Oh my god.
It's just
It would have gone in.
like. Okay, do you want to play again?
Yeah, but this time I'm going on a different team. We gotta split up the teams.
Alright.
Okay. Who's going on my team?
Me,
What the freak? So I'm gonna be on my own?
I have
I'm
100 ping.
I'm gonna lose terribly.
I think I have the highest ping out of all of you. Is that bad?
Isn't
or
it
good?
lower's better? I think lower's better.
It might be.
I think it is.
Oh, well then. I don't even know what ping is, and frankly, I don't care.
Yeah, me too.
GG.
Okay, I'm staying on orange. If anyone would like to join me.
Alright, I am coming over to orange then.
What the freak? Why are you putting me on my own?
Because you can do good on your own.
No, I can't.
Yardigan.
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead and hit this one in. No! I said I was gonna hit the one in! No, now it's gonna be an own goal!
No, not
Phew.
with my skills on your team.
Not with my skills, is what he says.
Yeah.
Here, if I say I got it, I got it. I got
Taxi's coming. Taxi's coming. No, I don't think you do got it.
I did. Okay, whatever.
Uh,
I got it.
okay then.
Got
Oh,
it.
wait,
Got it.
Finley.
Got it. It's mine. Mine. Mine.
Finley,
Scotty!
Whoa!
Finley.
It's going in center.
Finley.
It's going in center. Get ready for the goal. Hit it in. We need these plays.
Nope.
Ow.
Save.
No! That was mine.
Finley.
Oh, I just missed it.
Finley, can you hear me?
Oh gosh, wrong way.
Shouldn't we reveal the completion of the contest for Rocket League versus Agario?
So we had a little competition to see who could do better, Agario or Rocket League. And all of you are probably thinking Rocket League won. The answer is no. They tied with views. They were in a 2-view span, so they were tied. So both series are continuing. It's very exciting.
Yeah.
If you watch our Agario video, this is exactly what we wanted.
Uh-huh.
And I'm done.
It's not really, but still.
Oh. Can we score?
No.
That's a moment in my book. La la la.
Oh, I just blocked.
Go.
No, you stupid booster.
I got it.
Sometimes I like boosts, sometimes I don't. This is a time when I
No.
like. This is a time when I don't. I jumped when I shouldn't have. I'm dead.
Now you are. Dang it. Oh wait, never mind.
You.
I abused
Center
it.
it in.
No.
So close.
Not a lot. You messed that up.
It was a good attempt at a play.
You went in, and it could have gone in, but you went in and crushed the ball.
Whoa, I just got rammed big time.
Yes, you did.
Oh, deflected.
Let's do this.
Wow. What? Oh wow.
This is my goal.
No glory. No. I'm actually doing better than expected on my own.
Mm-hmm. Here we go.
No glory, and it's in.
It didn't go in.
Oh my god. Save it.
Save it all. Ow.
Things looking good. No. You messed up my good plan, and now you're gonna score.
I won't. I will do
Oh,
more
I missed
than
it.
that.
Send it in. Or not.
No.
Don't worry. I'm just keeping him as a battering ram.
Okay.
How to score? No cheat sheets, Yardigan.
Finley.
Oh come on!
Finley.
Oh, there's the ball.
It's mine.
Okay, I have to give you props to that one.
You completely missed it. Turn around and just come back. GG.
Go.
Oh.
Ow.
Okay, we need to get this one. Yarden, go and... Oh my gosh. And it got deflected.
Yeah.
It's good.
Here
keep
we
it.
go.
Yo.
Boom. Pow.
No!
No, Yardigan. No ramming.
Yes, ramming.
Yardigan's a rammer. He's a cheater.
I say yes.
You say yes to ramming because you can
Ramming
ram.
rules.
What happens? What happens when we team on you and I ram?
That would be fun.
Fun.
Finish up. Did you?
Here we go. Here we go.
Here we go on the rodeo. Here we go on the
Thanks for that, Finley. That really helped.
How are we so low scoring?
I have no. Are we gonna do it again?
You're not gonna do it. No, no!
We did it again.
Save, and it's
So
glitching.
close.
I keep on doing that.
Merca.
Hmm.
Alright?
Anyway, that's the end of our video. So if you liked it, like it, and if you subscribed, then subscribe, and if you comment, then comment.
Stop making it like the Hunger
Yeah.
Games. Okay, GG, goodbye.